Question. I never get a full erection during sex. How can I get hard erections to experience deep penetration and maximum pleasure? Suggest any safe herbal pills. This video suggests the best herbal erectile dysfunction pills and oil that can help you in curing erection problems naturally without any side effects. Weak erection. Weak erection is a really disturbing problem. It can destroy the self-confidence and self-worth of the man, and it can make way for a broken relationship or divorce. However, one thing you need to understand is that there are so many men out there who are affected by this problem. Reportedly, 50% of men above 40 have this problem. As for men above 75, they don't have an erection at all. To find a permanent solution to your problem, we would suggest you use the very effective herbal remedy Tufan capsule. The presence of highly effective herbs makes way for the effectiveness of this amazing capsule. If you start using this capsule today, you will be able to find a fast relief to this problem. When you consume this capsule, you will be able to increase vigor, vitality, strength, stamina, and energy level. This can directly influence your ability to perform better in bed, and that can directly result in a harmonious relationship. We have heard many men complaining about their erection problems. And we've seen that the Tufan capsule has been an excellent remedy for most of them. Why should you choose Tufan capsule? The Tufan capsule is used for curing many problems like erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, low semen production, weak erection, low sperm count, impotence, etc. The herbs are powerful enough to improve the overall health of the male reproductive system. With continuous use, you will see improvement in stamina, strength, and libido. This will help you to have a stronger, firmer, and fuller erection. When you have a stronger erection, it will improve your self-confidence. And that will allow you to have a better relationship with your partner. When you have a fuller and firmer erection, you will have better friction during lovemaking. This capsule is also responsible for improved nerve stimulation. Having proper nerve stimulation is crucial to having a stronger and firmer erection. If you want to know how to get Tufan capsule and King Cobra oil discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Benefits of natural supplements. When you are excited, blood rushes to the male genitals. Therefore, proper blood circulation is the key to a stronger and firmer erection. This capsule is designed to increase blood circulation to male genitals. The amount of blood that reaches the genitals decides the strength of the erection. This capsule will ensure proper and continuous blood circulation to the male genitals. The best thing about this capsule is that it's completely free of side effects. The all-herbal formula is the reason behind the effectiveness of this capsule. You need to understand that you are not alone in this. You will find many men affected by this difficult condition all over the world. An herbal remedy Tufan capsule is designed to keep your problems at bay. Bonus tip. If you are aiming for a fast solution, we would suggest you use the powerful King Cobra oil as well. This is a highly recommended herbal oil for strengthening the nerves on your male organ. Nerves that are responsible for erection may have been damaged due to excessive self-pleasuring. This oil will repair the damages slowly and naturally. Therefore, using the Tufan capsule and King Cobra oil together is highly recommended to find a permanent solution to your problem. World's finest erectile dysfunction supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil from ayushRemedies.in. The product link is given in the video description.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.